Hi guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. You guys have requested that I should make a video on how to make money for teenagers. So I've listened to you and that's why I'm making this video to explain to you about 15 ways to make money as a teenager. So we will start with the easiest ones, the one you can do like today, tomorrow, and earn money. Then we'll go to the one that can give you more money. So the implication is that if it's immediate, the money may be small compared to if it takes a longer time for you to make the money. So before we start, you already know the tradition in this channel. We smash the like button, we smash the subscribe button. Smash it, Jare. Smash it. If you want to pack money, you need to smash the like button.com. You need to subscribe.com so that I will show you the different ways to pack money as a teenager. The first one we have is website tester. So it means you test website for companies, for people, for individuals, for different organizations. So when people create a new website, they want to get a review of the website, what is working and what's not working, what is good and what's not good, what they can improve on. So you now as a teenager will be the one now going through the website and telling them things that they can do better on. It's very easy to start, and there are a lot of companies that offer services in those areas like user testing, user zoom, try my UI, user analytics, user feel, loop 11, user peak, u test, user brain, testing time. So all of them is to tell you that several companies that are into the texting business, you just go through a website through Zoom or whatever, then you tell them what you like and what you don't like, and they pay you some cash, some cryptos for it. Very close to this one is the next one, which is market research. So market research is done by companies like user testing, respondent, and some of the companies I've mentioned to you before. And in the case of market research, they will ask you some questions about a product, about a service, or about anything on the planet. Journalism, book, pen. They can even be showing you the pen and be asking you some questions to get your feedback. So it's like a feedback mechanism to get your view, your suggestion, your review about a product. So then as you answer them, they will record it in order to improve the product. It's also common with big companies like Apple, Puma, or all these big brands. They don't just release a product, they actually release some to people for people to try it out and test it and give them a feedback, which they will take in, review it, and make the product better before releasing it to the general public. So you are the one now that's having like a first taste of the product. And for that, of course, they pay you significantly for doing that. Even for respondent, they pay you about $20 for a 20-minute video. You see, for just 20 minutes, you are already earning $20. So if you multiply it with number of minutes in a day, in a week, my brother, you are now a millionaire. Congratulations. The third one is survey. Yes, I know for a teenager, if you want to make money online, you've heard about survey, Swagbox, Survey Junkie, survey this, survey that. There are all kinds of survey on the internet. What they do is they just ask you questions on a product, on a brand. It's similar to market research. Then you give your feedback and you are paid for doing that. The money is not so much. Register on multiple websites so that you keep getting work over and over again. It's just a way to get like some few bucks in your pocket. And of course, the most popular, which is the best, is Swagbox. They can even pay you for watching a movie. They can pay you for trekking. They can pay you for blinking your eye. For subscribing to my channel, they will pay you for liking this video so that this money I'm holding will enter your account. So let's talk about the physical method that teenagers are making money, and that's by delivering for DoorDash, Uber Eats, Getter. There are all kinds of delivery companies nowadays in our current world. So some teenagers are participating in this delivery and earning some cool cash. They are paid about $10 per hour, $20 per hour. If that appeals to you, I think it's something you can check out and participate in delivering. And by participating in delivering, you can start making money even from today that you're watching this video. Some teenagers are like, delivery is good, but it's not for me. So that brings us to the fifth way of making money as a teenager, which is pet sitting. Yes, if you are someone that's very familiar with dogs, you are someone that can play with dogs, you are comfortable with dogs, You can make money by stealing other people's pets, and you are paid handsomely well for doing that. For someone like me, if I see a dog, I will run. If you're opposite of me, you like having pets around you, so you can be a pet sitter. So if you're interested in sitting pets, you can check for rovers, dog carers online. You register to the platform and you start getting jobs easily. Very close to that is to be a house sitter. Some people travel for holiday and they look for who will water their plants, who will take care of their house while they are away. You can register on different websites like trusted house carers, trusted house sitters, and be providing these services for people. Just check on Google for more websites that offer these services. Let's hurry and go to the next one, which is to do physical job. You can get a part-time job as a teenager, either in an amusement park, in a movie theater, in a grocery store, in an ice cream stand. There are different retail and grocery stores all over your house. So you can get money as a teenager by working there, either as a part-time or as a full-time. For most of these retail jobs, they pay you per hour or per day or per week. And that's good money. If I look back at my life, I wish when I was a student, I've actually maximized that opportunity to also work in retail and make some extra bucks by the side. But I finished from school, so I can't go back to school. But if I'm to go back to school, I think I'll maximize that option of making money while I study. All these things I've explained to you are the things that you can make money as a teenager immediately. That thing that you can just search on the website or go to the physical location and be earning this cool extra $100 money. So the area I'll take you next may not be so fast like these other ones, but they give more money. And that brings us to the next option, freelancing. Yes, you can register on freelancing websites like Fiverr, Guru, Upwork, and you get paid for doing jobs like photoshopping, video editing, audio recording, voice narration, NFT creation. What you can offer there is limitless. If you go to Fiverr, there are several gigs that you as a teenager can enroll for and start making money at the comfort of your house. So you just need to learn a service or know how to offer a service and go to this freelancing website to start making money. Now, what I will say is if you don't have any service you want to offer, you can check up on YouTube to watch a tutorial on that area. You are paid for each task that you complete. We are in the era of social media, so that leads us to number 10, which is that you can make money through social media such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Dat Talk, We Talk, Sing Talk, Lean Talk, Retalk, C Talk. So there are different ways that teenagers are making money on social media. And what's very important is you keep posting on social media and grow an audience. You'll be able to monetize those audience, which means brands will reach out to you and they pay you for you to post their company or whatever they're advertising with you. So you get money from that. People like Graham Stephan earn a lot of money from it, like $5 million a year. So which means that it can be highly lucrative. But in order for you to make money from social media, you need to actually grow an audience. For YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. And that's why I'm pleading with you to subscribe so that I too can start earning money from YouTube. Also, if you are on TikTok, you need at least 10,000 followers in order to monetize your channel or your account or whatever you choose to call it. So some of these video platforms or social media platforms, they have some requirement on the minimum number of followers you have before you can start monetizing your content. And you need to keep posting on a particular niche. It doesn't have to be on something serious. Look for something playful, something that you can post easily, something that's easy with you. Maybe you are someone that can dance. You can post like shots of how you dance. Maybe you are someone that can cook very well. You can take us through the process of how you cook. Maybe you are someone that can study very well. You can show us how you study. So there are different things that you can post as a teenager. It doesn't have to be in one niche. Just flow with the vibe and make money with liking and subscribing to my channel. And also, as you grow your social media influencing life, you can also make money by affiliate marketing. So which means that you can advertise product to people and refer people to sign up to a website or to a platform. And for each person that use your link to register or sign up to a platform, you are paid for it. So you too, you can do that by signing up on the most popular affiliate marketing website, which is Amazon Associates. And whenever you refer people to buy something on Amazon, you'll be given 1%, 2% commission for whatever price they pay. So you can see as a teenager, you can do that. You can refer your family members, refer your uncle, refer your friends, to buy a product on Amazon using your own link, and you get paid well for doing that. The next one we have is you making money by making t-shirts. I've done some videos on how to start print on demand businesses. So if you're someone that like making t-shirt, cap, you have a fashion sense or a design sense. So you can create different designs and sell it on Etsy, on Printful, or you can even use Printify to create some amazing designs that you can sell to people. Once people order this item, you're not the one that deliver it. No, rather, your print on demand partner, like Printful and Printify, will be the one to package the product and send it to your customer. And you are paid for designing the product. I have a full course on it. So if you want to check it out, just go to my link in the description box of this video, and you'll see a full course I've made on how to start a print on demand business. I also have courses on cryptocurrency, stock market, investing, trading, and different areas in personal finance. If any of them entices you, just use the link in this video and go and check it out for free. You can sign up and cancel it immediately, but you still have 1 month free access. So just check it out for 1 month, and if you don't like it, you can cancel it. For 1 month, you can watch all my courses and all my videos on Skillshare. Another way that teenagers are making money, which is number what? Tell me. is virtual assistant. So which means that you can be an assistant to an entrepreneur or to a business owner at the comfort of your own house and be making money. Gone are the days when people think that to be a secretary to somebody, you need to dress in suit and go to the person's office. No. In a modern world, you can be drinking coffee in your own house, on your own bed, and be a virtual assistant. That's why it's called virtual, which means you are not physically present with the person. You are given some tasks to do, and you do it, and they pay you for doing it. To start your job as a virtual assistant, you need to register on virtual assistant website. You usually get job when you register on freelancing websites. So if you are someone that loves doing like secretarial kind of job, bookkeeping, account management, and all those secretary kind of job, you can register to be a virtual assistant and be making money from the comfort of your house. Another way that teenagers are making money is by teaching other students. We call it online tutoring. So if you're someone that's very good in maths, in chemistry, geography, physics, economics, or one particular language, German language, English, or French, whatever language that you're good with, you can register to teach other teenagers or even adults your specialty. You can teach them probability, chemistry, mathematics, and you are paid for doing that. There are several websites you can get jobs in online tutoring, like My Tutor, like VIP Kid. Just go on Google and type top website for teaching mathematics, top website for teaching a particular language, and you'll be flooded with different options. That brings us to the next one, which is creating courses. This is my own specialty. I'm someone that creates courses on Skillshare, on Udemy, on Coin Marketpedia. There are different websites that I teach courses. So what you just involved is the way I've made this YouTube video, just that in this case, it will be like a longer video where I teach a particular concept. I have courses on Bitcoin, investing, trading, cryptocurrency, as I've explained to you before. So I teach people about that and I post it on this website. So when people go and take the courses, I get paid some dollars for it. So the more people are taking the course, the more the platform is paying me for posting my course there. So it's a very lucrative way of making money. And the good thing is that you don't have to show your face. You can do like a screen recording where you maybe can teach people how to edit a video and do like a screen recording of how you walk through the process. And even though you don't know what to teach, there are a lot of videos on YouTube. You can just watch, have an idea, and go and teach that thing. It's as simple as that. Sometimes you can go to a website and browse about the topic. You learn it, you master it, and you go and teach it on this platform. There are several ways of making money online, and I don't want this video to be so long. But so I think I should end by telling you the remaining two, which is you can make money by selling your clothes. So if you are someone that have a lot of clothes that you're no longer using, you can sell it on Vinted, on eBay, and several other websites. And finally, you can make money by investing and trading. So we've heard about cryptocurrency. It's not only cryptocurrency. You can invest in forex, you can trade shares, you can invest in stocks, So by trading is a way now that a lot of teenagers are actually making money from the comfort of their house. And I'm someone that also trade. I can tell you it's highly lucrative, especially when you use all these funded prop firm. They give you access to 200,000 account, 400,000 account, 500,000 account for you to trade with. And for every profit that you make, you take 80% of the profit and they keep 20% of the profit. And so that's why I make a lot of content these days on how to trade, because of all the ways to make money online. Trading is the most difficult, but is the most lucrative. So I just feel that if you can understand it, if you know it, you can actually make a lot of money from trading. But of all of them, is the one that actually very difficult to learn. It takes like about a year to learn it. But teenagers are doing it and they're making money online, just trading. And just as a bonus, you can make money by registering on Amazon FBA. I know you've heard about people that sell on Amazon, third party sellers. So there are a lot of videos on this YouTube platform that you can check out on how to start selling things on Amazon and you make money from it. There are some requirements that you may need to meet, but overall, teenagers are doing it and are able to make money from it. So you can check it up on YouTube to see how you can make money from Amazon FBA or selling on other third party websites. Overall, I have shown you different ways that people are making money, and I would really appreciate for you to also help me to make money by subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Thank you. So if you have any other idea or any other thing that you think I should make video on, feel free to write a comment on it and I'll make a video for you, just for you. Thank you. Bye.